In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in MoreLogin account. First of all, launch open MoreLogin application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from the official website of MoreLogin. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can log in with Google or you can also log in with email if you want. Simply click on the login method that you prefer. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So click on the field of email address. Now enter your email address over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot password, that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter your credentials, click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the email verification code. Click on this option, send the verification code, that you can see on the screen. Now the verification code will be sent to your Gmail account. Simply open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Now the Gmail will be opened. MoreLogin has sent me the email. Click on it. Now over here you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. After you do that, go to the MoreLogin application and enter the code over here. Now click on this option, confirm. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in MoreLogin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.